A beautiful hotel, a comfortable room, and an ordinary holiday plan. Sounds wonderful, doesn't it? But what if you find a mysterious note in your room? Let's get started.
Emma, look. This hotel is stunning. Much more beautiful than I expected.
Yes, it's amazing. The lights are so elegant. It looks so much better than the photo we saw online.
The lobby is really spacious and airy. There are flowers everywhere. It feels so lovely.
Can you smell that? So clean and fresh. It's like being in a garden.
Yes, I noticed. We really made an excellent choice with this hotel.
Thank you. I chose it, of course.
I know. You always make great choices. So where's the reception?
Over there, I can see it across the lobby. Let's go. I'm exhausted after the flight.
Me too. My feet are killing me. And the suitcase was so heavy this time.
Next time we'll pack less,
You say that every single time, Emma.
and every single time I bring too much. You're right. But what can I say? I love everything I packed.
Haha, fair enough. Let's go. I'm starving.
Check in first, then food. Come on.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand View Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello. We have a reservation. It's under Tom Carter.
One moment, let me look that up. Yes, Mr. Carter. 2 nights, 1 double room. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Could I see your passport, please?
Of course, here you go.
And could I have a separate key card as well?
Of course, Mrs. Carter. Here's the second key card. Your room is 712 on the 7th floor.
Thank you. And where is breakfast? And what time is it served?
On the 2nd floor every morning from 7 to 10. There's a wonderful buffet
Lovely. And where is the lift?
to the left of the entrance. Checkout is at 11 in the morning. If you have any questions, I'm right here.
Thank you very much, Sophie.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
What a kind person. This hotel really is wonderful.
Yes, let's go up to the room. I can't wait to see it. Here we are. Room 712. I'm putting in the key card.
Wow. The room is enormous. So much better than I expected.
Look at the window, Emma. We can see the whole city from here.
Breathtaking. It's going to look even more beautiful in the evening when the lights come on.
The bed looks so comfortable, too. I'd love to lie down for a bit.
Hold on. Have a shower first. I feel so tired after the flight.
You're right. You go first. I'll unpack the suitcases.
No, you go first. I need to sort through my priority suitcase.
Okay, then we'll head out for dinner.
This bed looks so soft and comfortable.
Emma, wait a second. There's something here, right by the door on the floor.
What is it? A piece of paper?
Yes, a small white piece of paper. Pick it up. What does it say?
It's written in English. James Walker, room 404. Please call urgently.
James Walker? We don't know that name.
I have no idea. Maybe a previous guest left it by mistake.
Maybe, or someone left it for us.
But we just arrived. Who could it be?
You're doing great so far. By the way, hello everyone. I'm Daniel, and I'm here to help you learn English the easy way. Tom and Emma found a mysterious note in their room. Do you remember it? The note read, James Walker, room 404. Please call urgently. There's an important word here, urgent or urgently. This word means ASIL, something that needs immediate attention. For example, this is urgent. This is an emergency. I need your help urgently. I need your help right away. Please call me urgently. Please call me as soon as possible. We also heard a very useful phrase, could I see your passport, please? You'll hear this often at hotels, airports, and official check-ins. Could I see your passport, please? May I see your passport? Here's today's question. What did Emma eat at the restaurant? You'll hear the answer very soon. When you find it, don't forget to write it in the comments. Now, what is behind this mysterious note? Who is James Walker, really? Let's go back to the story and find out together.
Ah, that shower was just what I needed. I feel so much better now.
My turn, you relax. I've put the TV on. There are English language channels,
Nice. Maybe we'll watch a film tonight.
or we could order room service and watch something together over dinner.
Perfect plan. Is there a menu in the room?
There's something on the desk. Have a look.
Yes, here's the menu. Pizza, pasta, sandwiches, soup, desserts too.
Pizza sounds good. But first, show me that note again.
Are you still thinking about that note?
Yes, it says urgently, Tom. This could be something important.
Or it could be nothing at all. Someone probably left it at the wrong room.
Maybe, but look, there's a phone number at the bottom of the note.
What? You didn't tell me that.
I'm telling you now. Should we call the number?
I'm not sure. Let's ask at reception first. That's probably better.
Yes, maybe Sophie will know something, but this is all so intriguing.
Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
No, but do you have a table for two available?
Of course. Right this way, please. Would a table by the window be all right?
Perfect. The view from here is beautiful.
Yes, the city lights look lovely.
Tom, what are you going to have? Everything on the menu looks delicious.
The shrimp pasta looks interesting. I'd like to try that.
I'd like something healthy and light. I'll have the grilled chicken.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, one grilled chicken and one shrimp pasta, please.
And 2 glasses of still water, please.
Of course. I'll bring that right out. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Tom, I'm still thinking about that James Walker business.
Me too. I asked at reception, but Sophie doesn't recognize the name.
She doesn't. That's even stranger.
I don't know. Maybe we should ask someone else.
Here you are. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Wow, this pasta looks incredible.
The chicken smells wonderful. Let's eat.
This sauce is so creamy and rich. What an excellent choice.
What shall we do tomorrow? Shall we go to a museum in the city?
A museum sounds like a great idea. We could go after breakfast.
Then we can head to the market too. I spotted one on the map, very close to the hotel.
Sounds good. A lovely plan. But tonight we really need to get some rest.
Yes, I was exhausted after the flight, but I feel so much better after this meal.
Same here. Hotel food really is something special. It feels a bit luxurious.
Everything here feels special and lovely.
You're right. Would you like dessert?
No, I'm completely full. Maybe we'll have a cup of tea when we get back to the room.
Good idea. And we'll read that note carefully again.
Yes, maybe tonight we'll find the answer. Let me read the note again. James Walker, room 404. Please call urgently. 10 p.m.
Wait a moment. It's exactly 10 o'clock right now.
Yes, this is no coincidence, Tom. Someone knows we're here.
But who could know? We've only just arrived in this city.
I don't know. And that's what scares me.
Maybe we should go down to reception and ask again.
Tom, stop. Look at the window. The 4th floor.
Which window?
4th floor, right side. The light is on and someone is standing there.
How can you be sure that's room 404?
I counted the room numbers. 4th floor, 4th window.
Emma, stay calm. Drink your tea. It's probably nothing.
Okay. But tomorrow morning, we're definitely going to reception.
I promise. Now get some sleep. We're both exhausted. We'll talk tomorrow.
Tom, wake up. It's 8:30. We'll miss breakfast.
Okay, I'm awake. This bed is just incredibly comfortable, and
I know, but get up. I'm starving.
me too. Let's head down to the second floor.
Wow, the buffet looks amazing. There's everything here.
Eggs, bread, cheese, fruit, crepes, sandwiches.
And fresh orange juice. It really does look freshly squeezed.
Sit down. I'll get the plates. What would you like?
A little of everything, but especially the crepes and fruit.
All right, wait there. I'll be right back.
Tom, stop. Look at the table in the corner. The man in the gray jacket.
Which man?
Over there, on the left. He's been looking at us for a very long time.
Maybe he's just curious. We're strangers here.
No, Tom. He stood up. He's walking this way.
Excuse me, I'm sorry to disturb you. Are you Tom Carter?
Yes, that's me. And you are?
James Walker. I left a note in your room yesterday.
We saw the note, but we don't know you at all.
I know. I owe you a great deal of explanation. May I sit down?
Of course. Please go ahead.
Mr. Carter, I have some very important information about the company you work for.
Which company? What kind of information?
Who brought you to this city, to this hotel?
No one brought us. We came of our own free will. It's a holiday.
A holiday? Do you really believe that?
What do you mean? Please speak plainly.
I can't speak openly here. It's too dangerous. Someone may be listening.
Tom, what on earth is this man saying?
I don't know, but let's hear him out. Mr. Walker, please continue.
You need to leave this hotel. Today, right away.
What? Why? We were supposed to stay for 2 more nights.
For your safety. Please trust me. This is a very serious matter.
Emma, what do you think?
I don't know, Tom, but this man left the note yesterday. This was planned.
Mr. Walker, where can we find you later?
The Station Cafe. Today at 3 o'clock. I'll explain everything there.
All right, we'll be there.
Thank you. And please, don't tell anyone.
Good morning. How can I help you?
We need to check out early. Room 712, Tom Carter.
Of course. One moment. Was everything all right? How was your stay?
Everything was truly wonderful, Sophie. The room was fantastic. The food was delicious.
Thank you so much. Here's your receipt. We hope to see you again.
Goodbye, Sophie. Thank you.
Tom, are we making the right decision?
I don't know, Emma. But I looked James in the eyes. He was telling the truth.
I hope you're right. Let's get the suitcases and go.
We still have time before 3 o'clock. What shall we do?
Let's go to the market, look normal, and wait.
Thank you for coming.
Mr. Walker, it's time to tell us everything.
Yes. Why did you frighten us like that?
First of all, I'm sorry. My intention was never to frighten you. I was trying to protect you.
Why?
Because you were mistaken for someone else.
What do you mean?
There was another Tom Carter staying at that hotel. Same name, similar age. I was trying to reach him.
So the note wasn't meant for us.
That's right. But the note was accidentally put in your room, too. Then when I saw you, I realized I'd made a mistake.
So why did you approach us at breakfast?
Because I'd just found out the real Tom Carter had already left the hotel. I did it that way to make sure you weren't in any danger either.
So all of this mystery
Was one big misunderstanding.
I can't believe it. I barely slept the whole night.
You're absolutely right. I'm truly sorry for that.
So what happened to the real Tom Carter?
Don't worry. I reached him. I returned some important documents he had lost. Everything has been sorted out.
So that was what it was all about.
Yes, there's no secret organization, and there's no dangerous plan.
I feel both relieved and slightly disappointed at the same time.
Same here. We felt like detectives for a moment there.
Even so, your story turned out to be quite an interesting one.
It's certainly a holiday we won't forget.
So, what do we do now?
I think we can finally start our actual holiday.
Is the museum plan still on?
Absolutely. And then we'll go to the market.
This city is truly beautiful. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you for trying to help, even if things got a little confused.
You're welcome. And I'm sorry again.
No hard feelings. We can laugh about it now.
It'll be a funny story we'll be telling for years.
Then I wish you a wonderful holiday.
Thank you, Mr. Walker.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
You know what, Tom? This city surprised us from the very first day.
It did, but there's no more fear now. Just adventure.
And a little bit of shopping.
There she is. The real Emma is back.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's make the most of this holiday.
I hope you enjoyed today's story and picked up some new English words and phrases. Before we finish, let's quickly go over a few key expressions from today. First expression, check-in. This means the process of registering when you arrive at a hotel. Tom and Emma checked in when they arrived at the hotel. Second expression, keycard. This is the electronic card used to open hotel room doors. Sophie gave them 2 key cards. Third expression, room service. This means ordering food or drinks to be delivered directly to your room. Tom and Emma thought about ordering room service in the evening. Fourth word, urgent. This was one of the most important words in the story. The note said urgent because James Walker needed to reach them and pass on an important message. And now, back to our question. What did Emma eat at the restaurant? Did you find the answer? Write it in the comments. I'd love to read your answers. And tell me this too. Have you ever had an interesting experience at a hotel that you've never forgotten? Maybe something funny, mysterious, or surprising. Feel free to share it in the comments. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to hear more easy English stories like this one, subscribe to Learn English with Daniel and turn on notifications. See you in the next story. Take care of yourselves and keep learning English. Bye for now.